I found this 3-period divergence strategy right out of the box in thinkorswim, and I was just looking through to see what was new. Um, and to see if I could build a strategy or something with this. So, but I found a 3-period divergence, and it seems to show, well, lots and lots of action. But to follow it, okay, and to go in and look at the code, okay, has a lot of based on momentum, and it seems like, and buy auto, sell auto, buy to close, sell to close. Okay, so those are pretty well, your main ones you need. So we'll leave that there. But there's several different kinds of orders that we can go in and put in there. But okay, thought that was kind of neat though. And I found that way down here at the bottom. And I like coming through and universal oscillator strategy. Okay, let's check that one out. Oh. Let's come back out to the 4-hour. Eek. Okay, so it would need some heavy adjustment to make it work right. But it looks like if we could get it to buy in here and sell here, and which, I mean, it looks like it does, but for some reason, see, it looks like this should be working correctly and creating a positive P&L. See, why did it sell there? But I think this can be worked with. I think if we take this universal oscillator strategy, let me see it. It doesn't want me to see it. Okay. Input cutoff, reversal, define oscillator reference, universal oscillator. OSC crosses above 0, OSC crosses below 0, define buy, define sell. See, I recently made something very similar to this. Interesting. I love it. Absolutely love it. Huh. Okay. Trend following, reversal. I love it. Simple code. Very simple code to follow. Yeah, I mean, you really don't find many that you can just read right through like that, and have your buy auto, sell auto. Now, I think what we need to do is go in and change the orders from being buy auto and sell auto to buy to open, sell to close, sell to open, buy to close. Sometimes this buy auto and sell auto doesn't do very well, as you can see. So I bet if we go in with this strategy, copy and paste it over, change some orders around, I bet we can get that to work. So that's kind of neat there. I like that. That's a new one that I've noticed. I think I noticed this Bollinger Bands in golfing, but maybe not. That's probably been there. I'll have to go through these new strategies and check them out and get rid of anything that doesn't apply anymore. What's this one made out of? Buy to open and then sell auto. That could probably get you into some trouble. Okay, let's get rid of this one. It's not plotting anything yet. What do we have here? Define buy, sell. Okay. That'll be. Oh, I see. We need to get it. We're missing it. Yep, we're missing the name at the end. Alright, that's why it's not showing up anything. Alright, let's see here. What else can we find that could be fun? I like this indicator. Let's get rid of this one. And I use this one. I built a scan based on the price closing on this. And price closing here. But I think I need to build the sell order as price closing below or price crossing below. Okay. To build this into a strategy. Okay. See if there's anything new that I haven't really. Onset trend, PMO strategy. What is this? Another nice simple piece of code. Alright. Apply. It's fairly accurate. Yeah, it does seem to work. You could probably follow some of these signals, but I see Tesla's doing a bit of a breakout now that it is going up. So let's see here. I'd still love to see a good, good pullback back down to the 800-ish. I think it's totally possible, but don't count on it. I mean, see this easy consolidation? It's just building its momentum to take its next step up. That's exactly what this is. Okay. Wow. Where's that at? 717. And 790. Okay. And 885. Okay. Huh. I think, well, it might get through that. It might get through that today. That was the last buy-in. Okay. Let's see what else the market looks like here today. What else can we see? What's pulling back big time? Palantir, PLTR. So let's pull PLTR up. See, we get these big pullbacks here. And then when it crosses above, you know, what's this? Yeah, 0.20, you know, and we start to see positive action. Okay. And which one is this? So we are looking at the low arrow up on the 4 hour. And I need to build a study with this, or a strategy. Yeah. PSTG. Alright, is the only one popping out on the day for this. Alright, and let's check it out here. And we have our momentum oscillator. We'll hit apply. Alright. Well, let's use, I think, this one. Maybe this one. There we go. Alright. And on the day, we are getting the up signal. Of course, we got the up signal early way back here, but either way. So this plots 4 different arrows. So I'm going to turn this into a strategy. And got some that kind of work. Pure storage. But I'm not sure that they work well enough. Oh, this one works well enough that in this bull run it would have made you $6,000. Yeah, from, it looks like November. $6,000 from November. That's not terrible. So what does our bot say is our next move then? Our next move is nearly up. So that would be your buy-in signal. Had you taken the buy-in, let's see here, 851. $876. Then you would have sold here at 877, or even shorted 877 to 807. We came on down 811, 792, 789, 812. Looks like we're getting a buy signal at a low or current 874. Even though this is saying going down, which it probably is, just a little bit on, you know, within the 5 frames, but the bigger picture says it's going up, so we'll be looking for it to keep on going up, but it'll probably flatline like this for a little bit. And this one says it's already up, and we should be looking for it to fall. So, you know, up arrow there, up arrow there. I like that they both line up. So, I need to get this particular Chande bot in work, and I need to get it finished. So that way we can have our buy and our sell, and then our short, you know, and then our, you know, covers. Yeah. But for today, it looks like on the daily, this is what's firing off for going up. And I like how it's been plotted here, and now we get the tiny little candle break above the line. Check that out. as it sits right on this lower line too. So let's see what happens. Let's see if there's any action upwards or if it gets held down right here from the 910 level. That's going to be very interesting. Oh. There we go. Let's see what else is about to go off for the day. We've got, let's see, the market maker and a golden cross. So I should do a little golden cross strategy, golden cross, death cross kind of thing. I think those will work well. I mean, they're certainly easy to follow, but it doesn't look like there's anything happening right now that's going to show up. Let's see, CMO negative 35. So these are going to be the big pulling back ones. Which ones are having their dips on the day? And we may not even be having our scanner working fully. It seems that even though I've been, connected with, decent connection, the scanners haven't been working to their full capabilities. It seems like either the scanners are delayed or they're having this high, I guess flow, high volume. They're not able to keep up, but that's not what I understand. I understand TD Ameritrade has huge server farms. Let's see here. Weekly and daily. Okay, so at least our Darvis buy, with at least a beta of 1, is showing quite a few green stocks for today. So we can find some things to check out if we want to. And some of these have huge spreads on them. This one that says CBD, it's a $10 one spread to $15.74. So CIA Brasileira distribution is what it seems like. Okay. Codexis. Interesting. Up arrow, down arrow. EPM. Now we need to take this Darvis by, say signals, and get these crossed with, something else, because every day we get a nice populated list of Darvis buy signals. So we need to come through and start seeing which ones are, say, below 0 on, or below, a certain overbought or oversold level too. So we need to put that into our scan. That way we can rule out the ones that are likely extended and about to pull back. We want to find the ones that have been, possibly way oversold. So maybe check out this red one called HCA. Okay, and look, see, 2 arrows down. Okay, and arrow up, and this does seem to be the faster one to catch it first. So it seems like we could be looking at a possible reversal here with these dojis and 2 green wicks. So let's look at another green candle here on the daily, and that could be confirmation of that reversal. And if we can see this line coming above, the 0.2 level. And on the 4 hour, this up has already happened, so it's probably going to flatline up, and it looks like our bot definitely disagrees. It's sold out, so our bot is done. It says no more. Okay, so our bot bought in here and sold out here. Good little robot. Let the robot do its thing, it knows what it's doing. So We did hone in on a possible opportunity, but our little robot caught it first. He says, no way. Okay, what's IDT? Also, no way. Okay. Now, we can't always say our bot's going to be right, but... our bot was right here. Okay. Although when a stock does go for a run... let's see, B&O? Wow. I was trading B&O a little while ago. Cool. Yeah, had its uptime. I was probably trading it in around here somewhere. Then, let's see, this looks like it would have bought in. How would it have done on the daily? Looks like it would still be in. Okay, so we had our big jump and run here. So this is where we really would have wanted to be looking to get in. You know, somewhere around this signal here. And that signal again would have taken you and done you well. That signal here would have done well for you. And found the low. Alright. Nothing really pops out giant at me. The CNOB 1502 and 2647. Okay, so I would think that might jump up in price. Lots of buying pressure, see right down here. Yeah. See that? Wow. So there might be something to this lower indicator that we're working on here. So let's keep working on that. Let's build a strategy based around some of these arrows, or, you know, this CMO line in particular. Let's see this. EPAM. Walt Disney. Yep. Yeah, would have bought in here and we would have had a nice run. So. Huh. Had our bot little been set, it would have caught this particular motion. But I mean, you'd have to buy 10 shares of that. How about this one? Okay. Fun. Okay. Fun would have been fun. Let's check out the 5-day 15-minute. And it would have just sold out. And the fun would have been over in Cedar Fair. So this little bot that we have doesn't do too bad, but I think that we can make it better. So we'll be working on that. Definitely subscribe, that way you can see when I get that finished and we're able to use it. And that way you'll know when I save it on the GitHub and you can go over and grab it and test it out for yourself. Let's see, green dot. It wouldn't have done too bad on green dot either. That's kind of choppy. And not a whole lot really stands out right now. Although this does have a $16.40 spread, so I may watch this morning. AD&T. Yeah. I may watch this and see how it moves. Look for a dip buy on the short term. So, for now, those are the, stocks I've got in my, Darvis list for today, and I hope everybody finds a good stock to trade and make some money. So let's all do that, and I'll catch you on the next video.